Electric field lines. Electric field is a vector quantity. The magnitude of the electric field depends on the number of lines passes through any given point. Close the point is with the charge, more the lines of force passes through it. In other words, we can say that electric field is stronger close to the charge and decreases if we move or go away from the charge. The main idea is because the density of the field lines decreases. In order to explain the electric field lines, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw two charged particles. So this is my positive charged particle and this is my negative charged particle. If you look closely, you can see that we have lines going away from the positive charge in all the directions and the lines coming towards the negative charge from all the directions. So basically these lines are known as electric field lines, or we can also say that electric line of forces. So basically if we have a positive or a negative charge, then we have lines and those lines are known as electric field lines or electric line of forces. Now let's talk about the properties of the electric line forces. So the properties of electric line of forces are given as, the first property is the electric lines of forces start at positive charge and end at negative charge. Now let's use this property to grab a picture. So here is my picture where you can see this is my positive charge and this is the negative charge. As you can see, the electric line of forces are starting from the positive charge in all the directions and they are ending at negative charge. So basically we can say that electric line of forces start at positive charge and end at negative charge. Now let's consider a second property. So second property is, if we consider a single charge, then electric lines of forces will start or end at infinity. That's why electric field lines are open curves. Now, in order to explain this property, I'm going to graph two charged particles. So this is my positive charge and this is my negative charge. If you look closely, the electric line of forces are starting at positive charge and they will end at infinity in all the directions. In the same way, electric line of forces are coming towards the negative charge from infinity from all the given direction. Now third property is, two lines of forces do not cross each other, because if they do so, then at the point of intersection we will have two directions of electric field at that point, which is not possible. So basically, in other words, we can say that electric line of forces do not cross each other, because if they cross, then at that point, or I should say at the point of intersection, we have two directions for the electric field, which is not possible. And this is how we'll define the electric field lines.